Hello friends! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to broker GM, register with G Markets or Global Markets Group. You go to the website, click on Trade Now. In this section, you select your desired platform, as well as the currency and account type. At the bottom, you enter your first name, middle name, and last name, along with your title, country of residence, and mobile phone number. In this section, you enter your email, cheat, and if you access this website through an affiliate, you answer here. Enter your primary address and details here. In this section, you register your city and region, as well as your country of residence and postal code. You answer questions about your residency, and in this section, you enter your date of birth, nationality, type of document for verification, and document number. If you have a tax ID, you respond in this section. And if you don't, you must answer these questions. If you wish to share this account with another person, you answer in this section. And if you have any political activity, you respond in this part. Finally, after entering the information, you click on Next. In the second step, you provide information about your income and employment status in this section. And at the bottom, you answer questions about your trading experience. After entering the information, you click on Next. In the third step, in the investment section, you answer questions such as your trading experience again, and after entering the information, you click on Next. You record your investment experience and click on Next. In the fifth step, you confirm the website's rules by clicking Yes. At the bottom section, you answer the security question. You enter a password for your account, and I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. By entering your name, you sign this section and click on Submit. You will enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.